everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I am going to be getting into the holiday spirit by decorating a Christmas tree. But not just any Christmas tree, a pink Christmas tree. That's right, I am putting a fun twist on the traditional green and red holiday color scheme. So without further ado, let's dive straight into it. First things first, let's talk about this Christmas tree. This is a 7-foot Christmas tree, and I found this Christmas tree very long time back ago from Lulu hypermarket, and I hope this Christmas tree it's the perfect base for our fun colorful theme. Ever since I had a plan to put up a white Christmas tree, since due to my budget issue I didn't buy. So alternatively I plan to buy snow spray to put it on my Christmas tree. Then I got this from Carrefour and sprayed on the edge of the branches on the tree, which came out a sort of which I wanted. Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's time to slow down and enjoy family during quiet evening sitting around a Christmas tree. Remember, the aim is to have fun and create beautiful memories. So don't stress too much about making the Christmas tree perfect. Putting up the lights on the Christmas tree, I usually do it by wrapping the tree from top to the bottom. But this time I have planned the lights vertically from bottom to the top and vice versa again from top to the bottom. First step is to gather our supplies. Pink decorations come in various shades from soft pastels to hot pinks, and they are all absolutely stunning. Also think about textures and shapes like velvet bows, glittery baubles, feathered birds and silk flowers can add depth and interest. Decorating the Christmas tree is not just about making it look beautiful. It's about spending quality time together, making memories and having fun. So gather your little helpers and make your tree shine. Don't forget to step back periodically and check for any gaps that needed to be filled. It's like painting a picture. Here I have added big ball ornaments to fill the gaps. the skirting of the tree, I have used the storage box by cutting the one corner of the box. It can be easily spread and wrap at the bottom of the tree as a tree collar. By leaving like this, it won't look good, so I have used the wallpaper which I have previously used for my kitchen countertop wall. Remaining which I had used before was useful for me to wrap the storage box. And there you have it, a stunning pink Christmas tree that's sure to be the talk of your holiday celebrations. Remember, Christmas is all about spreading joy and love, and there is no rule that says your tree has to be green. Thank you for joining me today. I hope I have inspired you to think outside the traditional Christmas color schemes and embrace the power of pink. I will see you all soon with the holiday living room decoration video. Until then, have a wonderful and festive holiday season.